Welcome to This Explainer. Look, today we're diving into some incredibly eye-opening source material that's basically going to flip how you think about e-commerce completely on its head. We're breaking down exactly why your store might be getting all this traffic, but absolutely zero sales. And more importantly, we're going to walk through the exact framework you need to fix it. Okay, let's just address the elephant in the room. This incredibly painful reality. You're out there spending thousands on ads, right? You're seeing hundreds of visitors clicking through to your site, but your sales, they're just sitting at zero. You're refreshing that dashboard over and over, and literally nothing happens. It's so frustrating, and honestly, it makes you wonder if you should just throw in the towel and shut the whole thing down. But hold on, before you do that, we really need to reframe what's actually happening here. The source material puts it so perfectly. Traffic without conversion is just expensive noise. I mean, really think about that. Pouring your hard-earned money into ads to send people to a broken store experience, it's literally like pouring water straight into a leaking bucket. More traffic isn't the fix. It's just magnifying the real problem. Now, when those sales aren't coming in, it's super natural to point fingers. You blame your product, maybe you blame the niche, or you spend hours and hours endlessly tweaking your store's theme. But the data shows the actual conversion killer, the thing keeping you from being one of those big, successful stores, is something completely different. It's a complete lack of buyer trust. So let's look at this number, 3. When a stranger lands on your page, you've got exactly 3 seconds before their brain makes a snap subconscious decision. Just 3 seconds to prove your store is a legitimate, safe place to shop and not some sketchy scam. Not 10 seconds, not 5, literally 3. And you might be wondering, why is that window so incredibly short? Well, it's all because of the modern skeptical buyer. Platforms like TikTok and Facebook, they've completely trained buyers to be super guarded. They've been burned by fake stores in the past. They are so done with waiting 60 days for packages that mysteriously get lost in the mail. You aren't just selling a product, you are fighting head-to-head against every bad shopping experience they've ever had, all in those first few seconds. Think about it like this. Imagine the immediate gut feeling you get walking into a dingy, cheap convenience store at 2 in the morning versus strolling into a bright, high-end boutique. You instantly know which one feels safe, right? Your online store is triggering one of those exact same visceral reactions right now, and you might not even realize which one you're projecting. This brings us to a really fascinating concept from our sources called trust debt. Basically, every single online store starts in the negative. Every visitor landing on your site inherently does not trust you. Your absolute biggest job in those first 3 seconds is to pay off that debt instantly, because if you don't, they bounce. So first things first, you gotta stop adding to that debt. Stuff that worked as a clever little marketing hack a couple of years ago actively destroys your credibility today. Things like fake countdown timers, super generic product photos, copy-pasted reviews with no real names. These aren't just ineffective anymore, they're basically massive flashing neon signs screaming to the buyer that your site is a scam. The big takeaway here is you've got to totally change how you communicate. Stop just listing off features, like high-quality materials or fast shipping. That's logic. And guess what? Logic loses to emotion every single time. Instead, you've got to sell the transformation. Sell who the buyer becomes after using your product and the exact problem it solves for them. Remember, people are buying a better version of themselves. Section 1. The Trust Stack Framework, Engineering a High-Converting Store. To systematically wipe out this trust deficit, the sources lay out this sequential framework called the Trust Stack. And hey, the order here matters big time. You start with the hero section, then you move to social proof, then friction removal, and only then do you use real urgency. Skipping straight to step 4 and throwing countdown timers at someone who doesn't even trust you yet, that is exactly why most stores fail. So, step 1, the hero section. This is the very first thing they see before they even scroll. Never, ever just say, "Welcome to our store." It's just useless corporate fluff. Instead, you need to instantly answer their subconscious question. What is this, and why should I care? Moving on to steps 2 and 3, this is where you aggressively build that social proof and just wipe out any friction. Put your real reviews, like with actual photos and real names, right up high where people naturally look first. Don't bury them at the very bottom of the page. Then make your shipping times, your return policies, your payment trust badges, and your brand's human story stupidly easy to find. Make it totally effortless for them to feel secure. Section 2, Engineering a Turnaround. The power of the first 5 seconds. Let's look at how this actually plays out in the real world. The sources highlight this home and kitchen store that was literally burning $40 a day on ads and getting maybe one sad sale a week. So, what did they do? They didn't scrap the store, they didn't switch niches, they just fixed the first 5 seconds of the user experience. 3 simple fixes. First, they rewrote the hero headline to actually call out the buyer's pain point. Second, they bumped their best reviews up right under the main product image. And third, they added a super simple guarantee badge. That's it. And the result? Honestly, it's wild. In just 48 hours, using the exact same ad budget and the exact same amount of traffic, their conversion rate shot up from a terrible 0.3% to 2.1%. By just changing how the store felt to a total stranger, they unlocked massive growth. To put those percentages into perspective, let's talk real revenue. That tiny set of tweaks took their 400 daily visitors and turned them from generating 1 sale a week into 11 sales in just 2 days. It totally proves that paying off that trust debt is hands down the most lucrative change you can make to your online store. And hey, this power of trust, it extends right into your brand's narrative too. Another case study showed a client whose conversions literally quadrupled, jumping from 0.8% to over 3% in less than 2 weeks. How? All they did was add 3 short sentences of a humanizing story to their product description to connect emotionally. It just proves that buyers desperately want to feel understood. They don't want to just be sold to. So before you go out and spend another single dime on ads, take a hard look at your own site. Check out your homepage right now and ask yourself this one critical question. Does your headline make a total stranger feel anything in 3 seconds? Because if the answer is no, well, now you know exactly where to start.